Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we are going to examine what the media term President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Maiden presidential chat, and to show that it wasn't really a presidential chat as we know it. What Nigerians witnessed was an RNG interview, which was a far cry from a presidential media chat as we know it. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Welcome, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, on Monday, December 23, 2024, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu supposedly had his first presidential media chat from Ikoyi in Lagos, where he was enjoying his holiday, being that we are now in the Christmas and New Year season. Now, what happened, what Nigerians witnessed from the Nigerian Television Authority and Television of NTA, Nigerian Television Authority, NTA, and Television Continental, TVC, on December 23rd, was not a media chat, presidential media chat as we know it. The presidential media chat was started in 1999 after Nigeria returned to democracy following several decades of military dictatorship. The presidential media chat was introduced by former President Olusegun Obasanjo as a way to interact directly with the Nigerian people in the best tradition of democracy. And the presidential media chat, right from Obasanjo time when it was introduced, used to be a live program. Televised live, so that Nigerians could be able to see the comportment of their president as he interacts with them through the team of journalists that were gathered for that purpose. And these live programs are always broadcast not only on television, but also on radio. It was the best tradition, showing the relationship between the president and the people that elected him to power. So that's being said, that it was initiated as a live television program, live on radio and television. But what we saw on December 23rd, that is on Monday, was not a presidential media chat as it's supposed to be. Because what we witnessed was an edited media chat, media interaction between the president and a team of journalists. In other words, what Nigerians witnessed was an edited presidential media chat. which means the producers had made effort after the program was recorded to edit out the places they believe that Nigerians are not supposed to be seen. Because the essence of the presidential media chat is for you to see your president the way he is, how he handles critical questions relating to governance in the country. It is the same thing that you had when Americans used to have their presidential debates. It is for you to see how the president react to issues. What question put him off? Which question made him uncomfortable? Which question made him angry? Which question was he comfortable with? That was the essence of the presidential media chat. So that when you watch it, you go away, or you take away the thinking of the president on any issue, knowing that that was the president at his best of his answers on any particular issue. But the situation where the president interacted with team of journalists in a pre-recorded broadcast and being bandied about as a presidential media chat is really not a reflection of what the presidential media chat is supposed to be. Now, people now look at, and it had been, Obasanjo did that successfully throughout his tenure. He had live presidential media chat. It used to be a thing. And Goodluck Jonathan continued with that tradition. That tradition of presidential media chat. Goodluck, Ebele Jonathan continued with it. Yaradua, perhaps because of his health challenges, didn't do any of those. But Goodluck Jonathan participated in several presidential media chat, and they were televised and broadcast live. No script. It wasn't scripted. Now, it was when the All Progressive Congress entered the scene in 2015 that the presidential media chat even disappeared. And people were wondering, how do we talk to our president? The president, Muhammadu Buhari, became so detached from the Nigerian people. He doesn't talk to anybody. He doesn't talk to Nigerian media. It was when there is some serious issue, then there was an RNG interview with the Arise TV. It became a thing. And now, Buhari, Tinubu borrowing a leaf from Buhari, or to continue in that line. That was the line that the APC introduced, not communicating with the Nigerian people, which was reflected in the fact that since 1999, the APC had been the political party that their presidential candidate never attended debates. Buhari avoided and treated with disdain presidential debates. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as candidate, Bola Ahmed Tinubu also treated debates with disdain. There was no need talking to Nigerian people. And that reflected in the fact that they don't care about Nigerian people. Whether they talk to Nigerians or not, they have INEC, they have the judiciary, the result will always favor them. So there was no point, any rigorous debate for them to explain to Nigerians what they are doing. So perhaps somebody has told President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do a kind of PR for himself. Say, look, you don't talk to people much. And people have noticed that has become the tradition of APC. Destroying some of the good programs of the PDP Don't forget, PDP is just as bad as corrupt as anything you can think of, but that was not the issue. But there are some fine tradition. This presidential media chat, presidential debates that are at the heart of democracy, which the APC treated with disdain. Now, this Christmas season, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu decided to go back to the era of the president communicating with the Nigerian people. But from all we can see, since it wasn't aired live, it was only what we saw was a scripted RNG in which the producers will edit out some things they don't want Nigerian public to see. That, my friend, is not the presidential media chat that President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo introduced in 1999. That's my take on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's median presidential media chat. I don't know what you think about it. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel or have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.